What's up, everybody? Hope you're all keeping safe and well. Special one today. We've got a new car. Well, I say we've got a new car. Callum's bought himself a new car, so we're going to do an unboxing today. There's no car here at the moment, but we'll be bringing it out. Before we get into that, please remember to subscribe, turn on those notifications, comments down below, and give us a like. I have noticed that whilst subs count is growing, which is fantastic, thank you everyone for subbing, it's quite a low number of people with notifications turned on. So if you could turn on the notifications, that'd be fantastic. All just goes to help the channel. Allows us to bring more content like we are today. So anyway, guys, let's get into see what car we've got. So yes, we're continuing to go to the dark side, guys. Callum has decided to get himself a Maxx. We've seen various other Maxxes running. They seem to be almost bulletproof as well. Got a few issues with them, but you know, a bit like the X-MAXX, these things just seem to be able to take an absolute pounding. So Callum's been saving up his money, been itching to get this. Thought we'd bring it to the channel. You know, we're not just about armour, we are about all RCs, all different makes. So let's get in and see what it's all about. So going over the box, looks like we have Maxx all-terrain tyres, a smooth aluminium GT-MAXX shocks, fan cooled brushless motor, 16.8 volts of extreme power, max duty drivetrain, X-MAXX style high torque servo, efficient direct drive with torque bias in centre drive and CUSH drive, impact absorbing chassis delivering brutal strength without bending. I think that may be a dig at armour. Max duty drive shafts. It's time to get into it. Exciting, this is exciting. What have we got here? Polystyrene, don't need that. Oh boys and girls, there she is. This is an absolute beauty. Got anything else in there? Controller. Get this bag off and have a look at her. Absolute beauty. This is the rock and roll body. Absolutely looks stunning. Callum, this is one Callum been waiting for, saving up for. Can only get this body as part of the kit. You can't buy this body second hand with this colour scheme on it. It looks absolutely fantastic. So in the box, you obviously get the car, stunning car. Bag of goodies, which we'll go through in a second. TQI controller, all you need for that is 4 AA batteries, and that's good to go. So on the controller, you have your steering, trim, you have your AVC or whatever Traxxas call it, for the stability management, steering control, throttle response, and then some buttons up here, which I'm not sure what they do, but we'll have to get into read the instructions and find out. Bag of instructions here and some other bits and pieces. Let's see what's exactly in here. What do we get in here then? Max power with TSM. Traxxas warranty. Not sure what that's worth, if it's worth anything. Performance guide, with some information on the TQI systems, etc. Some performance upgrade parts, I think, on the back there. Parts for the different batteries that you might be running. Some foams, depending on the size of the batteries you're running. Model brakes, all the different exploded views, all the different part numbers you can get in there. Pushing their batteries and their chargers. No, we won't be using those. And a quick start guide. And for what it's worth, Traxxas' attempt at some tools. So it looks like a wheel wrench and a couple of Allen keys. There we are, there's a smooth aluminium GT shocks. Nice and supple, springy. Nice wheelie bar on the back. The VLX power system, 4S power. This thing is an absolute beast. Servo, receiver box, and those tyres. Nice and supple, plenty of grip on those.
Right guys, there is my Maxx. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to send it.
Okay guys, now it's time to send it. Stefan's very kindly lent us his spare body, so we didn't want to ruin the beautiful rock and roll body. We have got a new body coming for it. So anyway, we'll get there and we're going to send it off of that. Comes the Mini-MAXX. Oh, sideways one. Could have broken it first jump. He's broken it first jump. Lucky we got spares. Quick pit stop. Spares already in the bag. We're ready to go. Okay, take two. See if we... Oh, it's gone sideways again. It's going a bit sideways. Oh, back to come unconnected. You ready for the Mini-MAXX? That's better. Oh, no. Oh, it's on its roof. Oh, just right. There we go. That's better, Callum. Very nice, very nice indeed. That's a double. Callum's getting his eye in now. Not sure how high we're going. We'll come up here, see how high we're going. Is that a tray? Oh, that's a noser. Is there any damage that time? That was a heavy landing. Heavy landing, come unplugged. Apart from that.
No, bulkhead is that. Yeah, I think
popped out, pops back in. And Callum, he's looking a bit cold there now. Here it comes. It's gone up there. Nicely done though. Snow on the ground, freezing cold boys. But we're having fun. Repairs down here. The cold is snapping plastics left, right and centre. We're going in the danger zone. Oh, just got that in. And the proper danger zone now. Got a double in there. Mini-MAXX. He's going to send it. See if we can get a landing of the Mini-MAXX. Here she comes. Oh, Mini-MAXX is taking it now. Callum's got it dialed in, I think. Oh, that one could be nasty. Oh, he saved that at the last second. Oh, that was going to be a noser. How did you save that at the last second? How did you save that? We don't know. Good control. It's taking it now. Weather's not great for it. Here she comes, going to get in low. Okay guys, I'm going to give the Mini-MAXX a speed test on concrete. This is bone stock, it's on 4S. I'm just going to see what it does, see if it hits that claimed 50 miles an hour straight out the box. Track, start, off you go Callum, let's see what it can do. Get it turned around. comes Mini Max, 4S power. Well, she was moving. What do we reckon it was though? How fast do we reckon that was? Did it hit the claim 50? Oh, little wheelie. Stop, read, 50 miles an hour, guys. So that's 50 mile an hour, 4S, out the box, all stock. Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that. First run of the Mini Max. You've still got Stefan's body on there. We're going to keep the other one pristine because it's the only time you can get it is when you buy a brand new Mini Max.
Yeah.
So let's... What do we say, Callum?
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like, comment down below and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
That's it, guys. Stay safe everyone, and we'll see you on the next video. Hardcore RC
Signing out.